Students, I am going to present here one new thing for you, that is NCERT based objective type questions from the Indian economy class 12, and chapter wise I am going to present here multiple choice questions including true or false also, and I am sure that it will help you in the final examination as well as in Viva also. In final examinations, if questions are asked from NCERT book from inside chapter, then it will help you, because I am going to present here objective type questions with answers also taken from the NCERT book. So in the series I am going to start, so time to time, maybe weekly, I will present here set of questions, objective type questions with answers. So let us start from the first chapter, that is Unit 1, Development Policies and Experience from 1947 to 1990. So Chapter 1 is Indian Economy on the Eve of Independence. We will start answering from Chapter 1. First question, question 1 is, what was the main source of livelihood at the time of independence? Answer will be agriculture. At the time of independence, India was particularly well known for handicrafts industries related to what? Cotton and silk textiles, metalworks, precious stones, all of these. Students, answer will be all of these, because handicrafts industries are the industries which were related to cotton and silk textiles, metalworks, precious stones. So in handicrafts industries, all these comes. Therefore, answer will be all of these. Next, question 3. Muslin is a type of cotton textile, and it was produced in Bengal. So what is muslin? Muslin is a type of cotton textile. Question number 4. The finest variety of muslin was known as malmal or malmal khas also. So the main center of production of malmal, which is one of the finest variety of muslin cotton textile, was produced in Dhaka. Okay, at that time it was known as Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of West Bengal. That time it was part of India. So Bengal was famous for producing finest variety of cotton textile, finest variety of muslin, which was known as malmal or malmal khas. Malmal khas showed the royalty to the Britishers. The royal families of Britishers, the rich families of Britishers were purchasing the malmal khas for the prestige, for the status. So it was the finest variety. It was one of the best variety, best quality, which were produced in the West Bengal. Okay, that time it was Bengal. So East Bengal and West Bengal both were combined. So Bengal was the main center of production. Question number 5. Under British control, India became the supplier of raw materials for the British industries. Answer is true, because we all know that India was producing raw materials for the British industries. Okay, and India was the importer of the finished goods from the British industries. So ये raw materials provide करने का और आपको फिनिश गुड्स को इंपोर्ट करने का जो है इंडिया मेन रोल प्ले कर रहा था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Which of the following is the estimators of national income during British rule? नेशनल इनकम का एस्टिमेट किया गया था ब्रिटिश रूल में. सो हु वेयर द इकोनॉमिस्ट, हु वेयर द एस्टिमेटर्स? वन इज दादा भाई नौरोजी, सेकेंड विलियम दिग्बी, नेक्स्ट वन इज विके आरवी राव एंड देसाई. All of the above. Answer will be all of the above. Question number 7. At the time of independence, the growth rate of India was less than 2%. Why less than 2%? Because accurate data is not given in NCERT book. In NCERT book, less than 2% is written. Therefore, I am presenting here less than 2%. What was the growth rate of per capita income at the time of independence? Per capita income means per head income. So per head income is how per head income, per capita income is calculated. Total income, total national income divided by total population of the country. It gives per head income or per capita income. So what was the growth rate of per capita income? It was 0.5% or half percent, 1 by 2% was the growth rate. So you will remember that it is not the per capita income, but it is the growth rate of per capita income. So sometimes students do mistake. They write 0.5 as the per capita income. No, it is the growth rate, means at this rate per year per capita income of India was growing. इस तरह से बढ़ रहा था. Question number 9. What percentage of total population was living in village at the time of independence? At the time of independence, what percentage of total population was living in village areas or in rural areas? Answer will be 85%. So only 15% was living in urban areas, in cities, शहर में रहता था, लेकिन 85% जो है वो विलेज एरियाज में रहता था. Question number 10. The zamindari system was first introduced in which presidency? Answer will be Bengal presidency. In Bengal presidency, zamindari system was first introduced. Question number 11. During British period, agricultural productivity was very high. No, it is false, because during British period, agricultural productivity was not high, but it was very low. Question number 12. Tisco was incorporated in the year. Answer will be 1907. Okay. Tata Iron and Steel Company. The full form of Tisco is Tata Iron and Steel Company. It was established in 1907. Okay, in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. So that time it was the part of Bengal. So Tisco was incorporated in the year 1907. Question number 13. At the time of independence, India lacked capital goods industries. Answer is true. At the time of independence, India lacked capital goods. So capital goods industries means the industries which produce capital goods, and capital goods like machines which are used for the further production. तो एक ऐसा इंडस्ट्री जो मशीन को प्रोड्यूस करता हो, जैसे एक सिलाई मशीन है, उसको प्रोड्यूस करने का इंडस्ट्रीज हो गया, उसको लोग बोलते हैं कैपिटल गुड्स इंडस्ट्रीज. सो एट द टाइम ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस इंडिया वाज लैकिंग दैट. सो आंसर विल बी ट्रू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. ड्यूरिंग colonial period there was generation of large surplus, export import. What? Answer will be export. So during colonial period there was generation of large surplus, मतलब एक्सपोर्ट का लार्ज सरप्लस था, मतलब एक्सपोर्ट ज़्यादा था इम्पोर्ट से, मतलब हम लोग ज़्यादा बेचते थे, कम इम्पोर्ट करते थे. अभी ऐसा नहीं है. अभी जो है हम लोग इम्पोर्ट ज़्यादा करते हैं, एक्सपोर्ट कम करते हैं, लेकिन उस समय एक्सपोर्ट ज़्यादा होता था. लेकिन जो एक्सपोर्ट से जो इनकम होता था उसको ब्रिटिश क्या करता था, उसको मिसयूज करता था. उसको जो है इंडिया का डेवलपमेंट में नहीं लगाता था, बल्कि जो ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स था उसको उसके ऊपर में जो है वो खर्च करता था. जो लड़ाई होता था, जो ब्रिटिश वार करता था, उस पर जो है वो खर्च करता था. क्योंकि अननेसेसरी वार्स जो है ब्रिटिश जो है बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ के साथ अननेसेसरी वार जो है उसमें इन्वॉल्व था, वर्ल्ड वार में भी, तो उस पर खर्च करता था. या फिर जो ऑफिसर्स है उसको मेंटेन रखने के लिए, पुलिस को पेमेंट देने के लिए, ये सब के लिए खर्च करता था. सो इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम चैप्टर 1. However, one more part of this chapter will be discussed. More questions are there. In the coming days, I am going to present the remaining questions of chapter 1. Thank you.